Azıcık
علما نافعا وعلما متقبلا ورزقا طيبا اللهم انا نسالك امنا وسكونا ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من امرنا رشدا رحمتی دے اے اللہ سب کو امن سے رہنے کی توفیق عطا فرما اللہ تعالی علی خیر خلقه محمد وعلى آله وصحبه اجمعین
Amin.
Melancholy diyor.
Thank you.
Allah
Cheers.
İnşallah orada da.
Nisi kanga tang po ma jus pinga tang zallo di ka khaja zallo tamja zallo de be niwang changma juai ju tene histing na tang galwai jin no kundu ne kati ne nga tang kalos kya za chajin no ju galwai jin
다들 돼. 무슬림 처죠. 다 이네. 마대한다. 대야다 자야 그거 좀. 장수 무슨 처져서 대가야 가서 왔다. 거수나무디 투치슈이. 야. 그런 거 아주 미치 인신제를 미 삼로 동야지 아주 누가지 알바. 자당 아주 다 드리게서 들어디 저물이 상말로 그게 찍찍을 땡땡에 찍찍을 대땡에 찾아야 돼. 나무 투주 그돌이야 즉 유루 소소소소 아니 롱거찍 난게 지다 산에 소소소 지다 지 소소 소랑 소체 파소산 저게요 다안데 되지 저블링이 그나 the global economy 샤베이나 사무지실 때 다른 신가서 information technology 타네 저분이 사무지실 타는 시간 때도 and global warming 사 디토네 아주 저분이 미참으로 다 가서 사주 강에데 저분이 가스칼 차이도 저자 간다 저분이 직격 임버티 저분이 직 임버티 단 서비스 차이도 에 저분이 사주 쳐줘야지 글로벌 워밍 나 걸리게는 아주 네이처 디사스터 망도 다 패지리셔 스트리지 투서리아 아주 저분이 미창말로 미직격 두시 타네 저분이 지상로 다한테 캐셔버리셔 자상가 뭐에 내주디 저분이 뱃다 찍찍 땡땡에 찍이 뭐에 내주 차 나도 미 삼는 날 나도 신신주 삼다나 뭐에 내주다 말해버려 unrealistic 자다 나도 저분이 디 나도도 천조 세네 시에네 다 로자가 먹고 싶다 나도도 천조 세들은 세리 그지다는 거야 주름시 쓰지면 나야 나도도 천조 세 디토네 저분이 디가는 미세셔디 사야 니게 지세 디드 삼을로 나도도 콘조세 섬지 디선의 세도 다 나도 참은 미치버리 세가 삼로 충분히나 딘제 저분이 가는 차와디 인구 말이야 너야 no this
is me sir.
Okay. I'm Buddhist, like Chinese Buddhist, very strict vegetarian. We Tibetan, particularly northern Tibet, high altitude, no vegetable, no fruit. So our life entirely depends on animal product. Butter, cheese, and meat. So myself, in 64, I become vegetarian. Then about, I think, 20 months, I remain as a vegetarian. Then I develop the hepatitis. So whole my body become become yellow. So later I jokingly telling people, at that time I become truly living Buddha. Yellow. Eye, or skin, or nail, everything become yellow. So then the allopathic, or say the doctors, as well as Tibetan physician, they advise me better now keep traditional way. Occasionally take some meat, non-vegetarian. No, vegetarian. No, non-vegetarian, like that. So I enjoy. Chenda, Tade Zabuli Ngoy Nesul, Ngoy Nesuti, and so Michikuk to Shit Kini. The global da Kasota, the sense of global Chenagada, Zabuli Chikuk to Shit Kiati, Shara Kashmurisha. As a Chikuk to Shit Kini, Chikil Roche. Zabuli chi pando chaji chebina zamni chadu de shir rugyar de hajer zabuli di sotoyaji peji yunguri ta khuryu nadan de tagi lawa nashi be chikyu nadan ji imbala anzu mizu ngata kyo sa di shukchambo je deba yina tamade anzu mirani le tongra resha ta me not the chip me nala, not the chip sagi, do yin jig di jigomento. Di not the chip as udo. And chulumento tigi, not the chip as lido. Jigomento chene, not the chip sagi. The negita gange seala, zomni jazo suyati, jumzik dita. Zamuni chik dik, zamuni chik yug sokosaji. Ngan Unipet, Mosarkia Chigdi, European Union, and Mosarki. Pen France, German Shashana, but Lord Dataj in the Chik Seridan Tigori. The Maxinibe Gelia, any German, the France needs Gang Gotini, European Union Tudo. Chesanga Jego Pensu Menjao Yozu Jadi Da Su Kasure Union Dindis have something to one Vitabasi. I always telling the spirit of European Union must extend in Latin America Union. Then Africa, at least Northern Africa, somewhere in Union. That's the only way to create happy community. Otherwise, small nation, too much emphasis, our nation, their nation. The result, mutual destruction. So that's the way to solve problem due to my nation, their nation. Now religious side. Conflict in the name of religion in Arab area. Very bad. In Egypt, Christian, Muslim. In Muslim country, Shia and Sunni. And Burma, Buddhist and Muslim. So on these conflict in the name of religion. How can all religion teach us warm-heartedness, loving kindness, forgiveness, tolerance? Yet, the very source of these was a value itself now causing differences and killing. Unthinkable. 2000, 그저래. September 11th. Look what it.
2011.
Ka.
이거 죽지 않아.
2011. September 11th. That tragedy happened in New York and also Washington. 10 people, you see, described due to Muslim terrorists. Ultimately, they're pointing Bin Laden. So, after 1 year, some kind of anniversary or something, at Washington National Cathedral. Somehow I was there, so they invited me. I participated. And that meeting, I mentioned, you see, these destructive action carried someone whose family background may be Muslim. But actually, we cannot say Islam is more militant. So around that period, some article mentioned clash between Western civilization and Islam. Totally wrong. At that meeting, I mentioned due to few individuals, some sort of behavior, and describe whole Islam is something wrong. It's totally wrong. Since then, I am Buddhist monk. I take, some action to defend Islam. Since then, I always, whenever some sort of religious meeting, I always say, stress Islam also, you see, carries same message of love, forgiveness, tolerance. I always mention that. Then I often, you see, mention one sort of speech at Turtu. Once my visit there, one Muslim leader there, he told the public, any Muslim, if carry bloodshed, then no longer genuine Muslim practitioner. And then also, you see, genuine Muslim should not create bloodshed. So, these sort of statement confirmed my belief. All major religious tradition you say carry, particularly Islam. Or then that also, the priest also is mentioned, we should extend our love towards entire creature of Allah. Like that. So therefore, we should look at the real teaching of these tradition. The real teaching is love. So therefore, there is sound basis, religious harmony, mutual respect. And in philosophical fields, there is differences. As I mentioned there, within Buddhist tradition, there are different philosophies. So, and Shia and Sunni, little differences. Due to that, it's a fight. No reason. Silly. Like as a Buddhist, so the Buddhists from Thailand or Burma, Sri Lanka, their tradition is Pali tradition. We Sanskrit tradition. In early period, but is it necessary to translate? Translation? Then too long. Oh yeah. So, around that period, I determined, I fully committed for promotion of religious harmony. Once Sadaji there, because of that sort of belief, I admire Guru Nanak. He Hindu background, but he took pilgrimage to Mecca. So I think India really 1,000 years religious harmony there. Now this, as I mentioned there, now time come. There's such wonderful religious harmony which exists in this country over 1,000 years. Now this must show outside outside of India. Religious harmony is possible. Not political reason, but traditionally, here religious harmony is there. Now, I think our next neighbor, Afghanistan, then Pakistan, then eventually Arab. I think Indian Muslim can do something to reduce this conflict in the name of religion. I really feel. So there I mentioned, I suggested to some Indian Muslim in plain as well as lay the other day. You are here, isn't it?
Quran.
Quran. Bye. Okay. No, okay. So like that. So therefore, a person, logically, a person who committed fully promotion of religious harmony, then pilgrimage to mosque with Muslim hat. So in Delhi, one occasion, I think International Muslim Conference or something. I participated there. So then we all went to Gaza. Jama Masjid. So I wear this white hat. I do this. So next day, many Indian newspaper, they carried that news, and with my white hat and like that. So I felt little sort of concern. What kind of reaction from Hindu side? But then later I was told that many Hindus, they really appreciate now Muslim bring together, not isolate. For that, this is my visit there and wear this white house, because of white hat, and go like that. So I fully committed. So now you, I didn't consider my friend. If you consider you are my friend, then each of you also must commit promotion of religious harmony. Okay. So thank you.
nhưng tập quan là thuộc cho là mà khen cái này giờ trong mấy chục này bà ta chăm chỉ kalau san zero do cái là lên dần lô cái này steam na cái nga President Muslim Nubra Muslim Association này chế ba Abdul Majid là jua plan cái này ngang chap na cái này rin budget kundu lagi cái website là ngay giờ sang mà Nubra gam o Muslim sang mấy chục na kuske xin ju cái này điều chỉ là ngay bút xin ju cái pasang Abdul Majid cái này Nubra Muslim Association the President là jua plan
tuk지체 아니야. tuk지체
ये गिफ्ट निस्पाजू जब सुनी कम्युनिटी शॉप ना देने रिबोच स्कूटुल्ला देने बुंगलो या जो क्या सुमा फेप्शन ला मैं संगे नुब्रा मुस्लिम संगे चोकना देने बेस्ट विशेष चोकला ये बुंजेंजू देने ये रिबोच स्कूटुल्ला बुंगलो या जो क्या सुमा फेप्शन ला जो बुंजून संगे चोकना यो उसके सेंजू संमा तुझे
finish. Thank you. Thank you.